Thank you.
Hello, Judge Boyd.
Hello.
How are you today, ma'am?
Oh, I'm doing great. It's a beautiful Friday. Well, it's not Friday, it's Monday.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you know the reason why I say it's a beautiful Friday? Because when you're off on Friday, Friday becomes a Monday and a Monday. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. The state opposes your application. They're taking several cases into consideration. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Are there witnesses? All right. Call your witness.
You are the victim in this case against Mr. Dericosa.
Yes, sir.
And can you tell the court what happened?
So I visited Ray to pick up Christmas money because me and the kids were living in Atascosa County due to CPS case that we had for domestic violence.
Your Honor, I object because it's repetitive. Everything about that offense is in the police report, which was presented to the court as part of our plea.
Have you had any contact with the defendant since these allegations?
Yeah, so he calls the house and speaks to myself and the kids. I guess when he can, because he doesn't
No,
have any.
objection, non-responsive. She answered his question.
All right, that'll be overruled.
You can continue.
Oh, so he has to use, I guess, a free collect call that he has because he doesn't have any money on the account to call us.
Okay.
So, and I don't fund it anymore. I just did for a little while around Christmas time, but no, it's only when he gets a collect call he can call.
And Ms. Tovar, you currently have a protective order against the defendant?
I do.
And do you feel that is sufficient to keep you safe?
No.
And why is that?
Objection, Your Honor.
What is your objection?
She's commenting on what your decision will ultimately do to affect her and her children.
All right, that'll be overruled. You can answer the question.
No, I don't think so. It didn't in the first place. It didn't. Ray was still coming around and still calling.
And while these cases were pending, you did have a no contact order against the defendant, correct?
Right. But I was told that to let him talk to the kids. So even though we have a no contact order, and that's why I was looking calls so that he could talk to the kids. I didn't want anybody to say that I wasn't allowing it. Yeah. Because they're not part of the protective order.
Why are you requesting her to give you probation?
Yes, I feel that given probation, I could complete probation. As you know, I haven't been in trouble before, Your Honor. This is the longest I've been in jail. I feel that I made a mistake. And if you read the current note I wrote to you, Your Honor, it describes one of my feelings. I want to apologize to the court, and I want to apologize to my wife, who we've been together 11 years, 10 years, been with the family 15 years. All I know is my family, Your Honor, and I'm asking for your leniency and your mercy, Your Honor, for probation classes, so I can better myself.
In this case, you're charged with a violation of a bond of protective order, as well as a repeat violation of a bond of protective order, in addition to the kidnapping, correct?
I am.
He was.
I was.
And given that there was a no contact order protecting Ms. Tovar from you,